it's me, Benita. Happy New Year again. I think we should be in like the second week of the new year. And we have another mini brands, mini minis to open for Fill the Fridge. Yay! Let's see what we have for our fridge today. Oh, fridge today. Fridge today. All right, friends. Let's see what we have this time. Yay. Oh my goodness. Is this milk? It is fresh milk. Oh, yay. All right. Well, let's put the milk in here. Oh, we have. Okay. Let's see. So we'll have to put our milk up there. Oh. All right. So we're going to move this turmeric. Set that up there. And then we're going to put our milk in here. Yay. Yep. There we go. Yay. All right. Okay. Let's find out what else we have. What else we have? What else we have? Oh, for real? Fresh sushi. Are you serious? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, for real? This is going to be some awesome miniature play here. I love these Fill the Fridge miniatures. Yes. Now, we can't leave sushi out. It must stay fresh. In you go. Let's see. Hold on. No, I put this up here. I'll put it up here. Here we go. Let's see. Yep. There we go. There it is. And let's see. I have the camera down so you can see as I'm opening. But oh. Ha! A little fruit tray. How cute it is. Oh my goodness. Don't tell me these are removable. Ah! Ah! Okay, I guess the one in the middle may not come out. But oh! Look at it. Look at it. Yay! Okay, there we go. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it goes in this. Hold on. Maybe it goes in this one. Yeah. Oh. Here we go. Okay, it fits into the grooves. In the groove. Yes. Excellent. Oh my goodness. Yay! And here's our fruit tray. Yay! Okay. So let's see. Yeah, we're going to lift up the camera for this one because this is going in next to our Krispy Kreme donut leftover. Yay! All right. So here we go. And is this a magnet? It's flat. I hope. Yay! No? Oh, look. Morningstar Farms, original sausage patties. This is one thing that I eat. I am a pescatarian, and I love Morningstar sausage sometimes, but I mostly love the Morningstar breakfast bacon. Yay! Now these go in the freezer. So I'm leaving the camera down here. We're just going to sit it right here. There you go. Oh my goodness. Yay. All right, what's next? Oh, yes. Jello pudding. Jello pudding. Ah. Okay. I want to open it. But then again, I don't. Okay, but I do. All right. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think it opens real easy. Okay. Oh, it doesn't open easy, but there has to be a way to get one out, at least. Like for a mini lunchbox. What say you? I say yes. Ha 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 ha. Yes. Now, when I have them for my kids, I set them up here on the door so the kids can get them real easily. Or so that I'll remember to put them in their lunch. Oh, yes. Here's the next magnet for our collection. Look at what we have. Okay. So far, we have, don't know what this is, but it looks like a guitar and a record. And that's what I'm sticking to. And we have our ABCs for the kids, watermelon, and I'm putting this one up here. Yeah. So we have a collection of magnets on our mini fridge. For real, our bacon. Look at our bacon. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, my husband's the breakfast chef, so he tends to put the bacon up here. But whenever I make bacon, like on the weekends for the kids, I put it up here. So we'll leave that right there. Okay, I think that's all there is to open for this one. And there we go. Okay, yes. So in another video, I'll probably try to open up the Jell-O. I want to do it really, really slowly and take my time because I really don't want to mess it up. But I might have. Oh, look. Okay, there's our fruit tray. There's a lobster. There's a sushi along there. Because, hey, seafood is seafood. Oh, fresh fish. For our pescatarian friends like me. And for anybody who likes fresh fish. There we go. Collect them all. But, wait a minute. I was looking for... Oh my goodness, there's Panda Express too. Oh yeah, I gotta keep purchasing friends. Okay, here's our Morningstar Farms. And we have our Black Label bacon. Okay. And I have this from a while ago. So let me see if I can try to get the Jell-O pudding open and clear my workspace. And we open up the fridge so that we can get our Jell-O pudding out. I'm going to see if I can open it with some tweezers because it's so cute. Yay! As you see, I managed to get one out, and I opened it. There's nothing inside. It's nice and solid, but it was fun to be able to get it open and to be able to have at least one single one, like for miniature play. So we have that there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to thank all of you for watching. All right. Thank you again. Enjoy, everybody. Peace.